Have you ever wondered how you can make money online? In today's digital age, the internet offers a vast array of opportunities for everyone to earn, regardless of location or time zone. More than just a global connection, it's a platform where flexibility and unlimited earning potential intersect. These opportunities are not just for the tech-savvy or the highly skilled, they are for anyone willing to learn, adapt, and put in the effort. From assisting businesses remotely to managing social media accounts, from monetizing your passions to designing graphics for print on demand, and even editing videos for YouTube channels. The possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. So whether you're searching for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's an online job tailored for you. This video will introduce you to 5 online jobs that you can start right away from the comfort of your own home. Stay tuned as we delve into the first method of making money online. The first online job we're exploring today is becoming a virtual assistant. Now, what exactly does a virtual assistant do? Well, a virtual assistant essentially provides administrative and organizational support to businesses and professionals, but from the comfort of their own home. Tasks can range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to booking travel and even handling social media accounts. The beauty of this job is that it doesn't require any specific skills, but being organized and having a keen eye for detail can certainly give you an edge. You might be wondering, what are the tools of the trade? The answer is pretty straightforward. All you need is a reliable computer and a stable internet connection. Some virtual assistants may also use task management software or other digital tools to stay organized, but these are often provided or suggested by the employer. Now let's talk money. The earning potential of a virtual assistant varies, but typically you can expect to earn between 10 to 20 euros per hour. Of course, this can fluctuate based on your experience, the tasks you're handling, and the company you're working for. So how do you find work as a virtual assistant? There are plenty of online platforms where businesses look for virtual assistants. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and even LinkedIn are great places to start. You can create a profile, highlight your skills, and start applying for jobs that match your abilities. Remember, the key to landing a job is to tailor your application to the needs of the employer. But don't limit yourself to these platforms. Reach out to small businesses, startups, or professionals who might need assistance. Send them a well-crafted email explaining how you can help streamline their operations. Becoming a virtual assistant is a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of online work. It's flexible, it's rewarding, and it can open doors to other opportunities. Plus, it's a job that's always in demand, as businesses continuously seek ways to streamline their operations. That's the first method. Now, let's move on to the next one. The second online job we're discussing is social media management. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly does a social media manager do? Well, it's all in the name. This role involves managing the social media platforms for businesses, particularly small local businesses that are looking to increase their online presence. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating, curating, and managing all published content. This includes images, videos, and written posts. You'll also monitor, listen, and respond to users in a social way while cultivating leads and sales. Essentially, you're the voice and face of the company's online presence. Now, you might be thinking, I use social media all the time. This sounds easy, but there's more to it than just posting a cute cat video or meme. It requires a keen understanding of each platform, the ability to analyze trends and data, and creativity to ensure the content you're sharing is engaging and relevant. So, where can you find work as a social media manager? Well, there are several online job boards where small businesses post job listings. LinkedIn is a great resource, as well as Indeed, Glassdoor, and even Craigslist. You can also directly reach out to local businesses and offer your services. And here's the best part, the earning potential. You can earn around 300 to 400 euros per month for managing social media activities. And as you gain more experience and expertise, that figure can certainly increase. But it's not just about the money. The impact of social media on businesses is huge. It's an essential tool for brand awareness, customer engagement, and driving traffic to websites. So, as a social media manager, you're not just posting content, you're helping businesses grow and succeed. And let's not forget, this job can be done from anywhere. All you need is a computer and a good internet connection, so whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or even on a beach, you can be earning money as a social media manager. That's method number 2. Are you ready for the third one? Our third online job is freelancing on platforms like Fiverr. Now, this is where you get to monetize your passions. These platforms are a marketplace that connects freelancers with businesses and individuals who need specific services. It's all about offering what you do best, and there's a wide array of services you can provide. Perhaps you're fluent in multiple languages. In that case, you could offer translation services. Maybe you're a whiz with graphic design, then you could create logos or design websites. Or maybe you're a musician who could compose original songs or provide guitar lessons. The possibilities are as diverse as your skills. Now let's talk about the money. When you start, your earning potential may be in the few tens or hundreds of euros per month, but don't fret. This is your launching pad. With every job you complete, you're not only earning, but also building your reputation. This is where we need to discuss the importance of reviews and visibility. On platforms like Fiverr, your reputation is your currency. Positive reviews from satisfied customers will boost your visibility on the platform, and higher visibility means more potential customers. It's a virtuous cycle that can lead to steady growth in your earnings. You see, as you gather positive reviews, you'll be able to increase your rates. With time and effort, you could be earning several hundred or even thousands of euros per month. It's all about consistency, delivering high-quality work and customer satisfaction. Just remember, every big fish in the freelancing sea started as a small fish. It's about persistence, honing your skills and building relationships with your clients. So take that leap of faith, register on Fiverr, create a stellar profile, and start offering your skills to the world. Remember, the beauty of freelancing is the freedom it offers. You can work from anywhere, at any time, and on the projects you love. So why not turn your passion into a paycheck? That's the third method. Let's move on to the fourth one. The fourth online job we're discussing is print on demand. Now let's delve into the realm of print on demand. It's a business model where items are printed only when an order is placed. No inventory, no upfront costs. You just need a computer, a bit of creativity, and the internet. So how does it work? It's pretty simple. You create or upload your unique designs onto a print-on-demand platform. These could be anything from funny quotes to intricate patterns. When a customer orders a product with your design, the platform prints it on the item, takes care of the packaging and shipping, and you earn a commission. You might be thinking, but I'm not a graphic designer. Well, don't fret. You don't need to be a professional. Basic design skills are enough to get started. There are countless online tutorials and design tools to help you create eye-catching designs. To find work, sign up on popular print-on-demand sites such as Zazzle, Cafe Press, or Printful. Upload your designs and set your commission. Then promote your products on social media or your own website if you have one. Now let's talk about money, because that's why we're here, right? Earning potential can vary widely depending on the quality of your designs and your marketing efforts. But to give you an idea, you can earn from several hundred to thousands of euros per month. And the beauty of this job, it can become a passive income stream. Once your designs are up and selling, you're earning money even while you sleep. Print on demand offers many benefits. It allows you to test out your design ideas without investing in inventory. It's a flexible job that you can do from anywhere at any time. And it gives you the opportunity to turn your creative ideas into products that people can enjoy. So if you're someone who loves to create and wants to monetize that passion, print on demand could be the perfect online job for you. That's the fourth method. Now let's explore the last one. Our final online job today is video editing for YouTubers. There's a growing demand for skilled video editors as YouTube content creation continues to soar. As a video editor, you'll be the unseen maestro, shaping raw footage into engaging content that captivates audiences. Your toolkit? Video editing software like Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. The earning potential here is striking. You can earn over 100 euros a day, but remember, it's a job that requires patience and a keen eye for detail. It's not just about cutting and splicing footage, it's about storytelling, pacing, and knowing just where to place that perfect beat of music. Finding work may seem daunting, but the key is personalized outreach. Look for medium to low-level YouTubers who could use a professional touch. Send them customized emails showcasing your skills and how you can enhance their content. Persistence is key here. That's the fifth and final method. Let's summarize what we've learned. Let's recap the 5 methods to make money online that we discussed today. First, becoming a virtual assistant helps businesses with administrative tasks requiring only a computer and potentially earning you 10 to 20 euros per hour. Next, as a social media manager, you can bolster the online presence of local businesses, earning around 300 to 400 euros a month. Freelancing on platforms like Fiverr allows you to monetize your passions from playing guitar to creating art, and with growth and good reviews, your earnings can increase significantly. Fourthly, print on demand lets you upload your graphics to specific sites, potentially earning you several hundred to thousands of euros monthly without needing professional design skills. Lastly, video editing for YouTubers can be a lucrative opportunity, requiring a computer and editing software, and you can earn over 100 euros per day. These methods offer flexibility, independence, and the comfort of working from anywhere. Remember, the internet offers unlimited opportunities. So, start exploring these methods today and start earning money online.